Struggling to stand out on Amazon? Discover how premium A+ content can help you increase your sales. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you a pro tip on how to get approved for premium A+ content fast. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So first you need to understand what A+ content looks like, right? So first I'm going to show you a listing with no A+ content. So here's a listing with no A+ content. So you see it's regular, right? And then if it doesn't have any A+ content, all you're going to see is the product description. Let's go down. Product information, and then product description. So this is it. This is no A+ content, right? So it shows the product description. It's got some keywords. That's it. Now this listing has regular A+ content here. So let's go here. This is the listing right here. It's a little different. Now we're going to scroll down till we find the product description. There it is. And we can see it has photos. So instead of it being very dull like this one, this is regular A+ content. And it's got some photos. Cool, cool, cool. Now this is premium A+ content on this listing. So if we scroll down, we're going to see premium A+ content. And you can see it flows much better. Premium is the best A+ content out there right now. So again, we're going to look no A+ content, regular A+ content. You see the photos are smaller. And then premium A+ content, much bigger, much larger. There's no separate spaces. If you wanted it to not have separate spaces, you can also add videos in the premium A+ content. Premium A+ content is much better and does convert much more. So I'm going to be showing you now how to create premium A+ content. Now to create premium A+ content, you're going to go into Amazon Seller Central. You're going to go to advertising and then A+ content manager. Once you're here, you're going to click start creating A+ content, and then you're going to see premium A+ content right here. If you don't have access to this tab, make sure you're brand registered, make sure you're a professional seller. If you don't have access to premium A+ content and like this is like blacked out, I'm going to be showing you how to get access to it in the end of the video. But pretty much just make sure that you are a professional seller and you are brand registered. Next, you're going to click this and you're going to put the content name. I'm just going to put example. And then you can add different modules for premium A+ content, right? So you can add a premium background image with text, comparison table, dual images, AI ready, premium full image, premium full video. These ones, this listing right here, it looks like it's a premium full image. So, and maybe even AI will make it for you. But let's just see, let's click premium full image. They have a lot of different sections in here that you can do. And we're gonna see AI ready and see what this means. Select content to generate. And maybe it'll generate content for your listing. If you wanted AI to help you generate some info, I don't know how good it's gonna be, you could do that and then you click select all, you click generate content, you put your ASIN in, text prompts, image prompts, and then you can click generate content. And maybe you can even make your content better, right? So that's with AI, but right now AI isn't super powerful, so we're not doing that. If you wanted to add a headline, you can see if we look at the competitor, this is like a great listing to use it as an example. They don't have any headers here, so they just have a premium image. So what you can do is add a desktop image and add a mobile image. Now a mobile image is just to make sure it's mobile optimized, which we're going to go over. But if we do a desktop image and we click upload image, we could do, let's say if we wanted to literally copy the competitor and we put image alt text, this helps you rank on Amazon. So we can just do unicorn and different tags if you want it to be tagged, right? And then mobile optimized image. If we had a mobile optimized image of this, it's going to look pretty bad if it's not mobile optimized, kind of. So kind of make sure you also have it mobile optimized. There's one, and then we can do the same thing. Premium full image, do it again. Upload image. And then again, unicorn 2. Add that image, and we're going to add another image. Here we go. And we can see how it looks on mobile. Looks terrible on mobile, so you need to make sure it's mobile optimized after you do it. I would do it desktop optimized first, then come back in once it's approved and then do mobile optimized, right? You can also click preview to preview how it looks. So you can see on mobile, it's definitely cut off. It needs to be improved. But on desktop, bada bing. Look, it flows. Look how that premium A+ content flows, right? So we just uploaded those 2 images and it really flows, no gaps whatsoever. So people can do the death scroll, which they love, right? So that's exactly what we want to do, and add more modules at the end. We can come back up here. And then, of course, after we're done, we want to make sure it's mobile optimized as well. Save it as a draft. You can also apply your ASINs. Put your ASINs in here where you want it to show up. Right now we're in the US, and then you're going to review and submit it. Then Amazon's going to review it, make sure that everything is good with their policies, A-OK. Then they're going to publish it, and it's going to show up right under your listing. Now, the biggest thing for this is to make sure those A+ content, those back-end images, are really helping, right? So if we go back here, and we're going through those back-end text, here it is. So you click edit, and you really want to make sure these image keywords are ranking. So if you don't know what to put, you can look at your title, and then you can use Spanish keywords, because nobody can see this, and it's going to help you rank for Spanish. So how many people speak Spanish in the US? Well, it's the 2nd most spoken language in the US. So if you wanted to add back-end keywords like crochet kit, and you use Google Translate for Spanish, and you put it behind this image keyword, it's going to help you rank. So this is a tool that a lot of people don't use. So make sure you're putting those back-end keywords in there and click add. Now, for staying towards the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to get approved for A+ premium A+ content. I already mentioned you need to be a professional seller and you need to have a trademark, but sometimes it's like blacked out and it doesn't let you get premium A+ content, right? And premium A+ content takes around 30 days to get approved for, which isn't too bad if you follow. And here's the requirements. You must have at least 15 A+ content project submissions that are approved within the past 12 months. So pretty much what you need to do is create regular A+ content, and you have to have 15 of these approved within the last 12 months. So what you can do is, if we go through here, is you log into Amazon Seller Central, and then you go to the A+ Content Manager. And then what you're going to do is start creating A+ content. You're just going to make regular A+ content, right? Make it regular. And then it's going to say approved. Make sure it gets approved, right? Once it's approved, you're going to go back into this A+ content that you create, and you're going to duplicate it. You're just going to click duplicate. You're going to change one thing about it, and then you're going to get it approved again. And then you're going to keep doing that over and over again. Duplicate, approved, duplicate, approved, duplicate, approved, 15 times within that same month. And then at the end, within 30 days from then, Amazon's going to allow you to create A+, premium A+ content. That's pretty much how we get it approved for our clients really quickly. I already explained the benefits of the premium A+ content, but that's a huge tip. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. Also, if you learned something new, drop a like. If you're already an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And if you need help getting approved with A+ content, creating A+ content, we have a full design team that specializes in this, so feel free to contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in our description. You can schedule a call, or we will reach out to you directly. And our #1 service is our full A to Z account management service, where you'll have the design team, customer service, inventory team, reimbursements. We'll be calling Amazon for you, optimizing all of your listings, and making sure that your account is increasing in sales every single day. Contact ehpconsultinggroup.com for more. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.